this video, we'll go over the many features and innovations present in our new 4-zone CV bus case. The case itself is made with the needs of the touring musician in mind, first and foremost. The case is constructed from a powder-coated metal with embossed Make Noise logo, with a comfortable handle and low-profile rubber feet on both the bottom and the bottom. The case and lid alike are highly durable and resilient. The case can be tightly closed while fully patched for stress-free travel and a quick on-stage setup. The lid closes tightly and securely, and the 360-degree gasket provides a seal against most liquid mishaps. The case meets carry-on requirements for most major airlines. The power connection has a locking mechanism, so it cannot pull out by accident on stage. The 4-zone bus board utilizes a hybrid approach, combining switched mode for bulk power with per-zone linear regulation. The switch mode bulk power reduces weight, improves efficiency, and enables use worldwide, while the per-zone linear regulation offers low noise and excellent load regulation, while also effectively nullifying crosstalk between zones. Because each zone operates well within the circuit's maximum capabilities, the behavior of these individual zone power regulation circuits is excellent. None of the zones need to see high stress conditions, since the system-wide load is distributed among the 4 independent zones, with each zone carrying a more reasonable load and contributing to the overall high current capabilities of this power solution. We're able to achieve low noise and excellent load regulation. This translates to good clean power for your wildest modular system builds. The 4 zones are clearly labeled with their own areas on the board, and additionally, each zone has a dedicated set of LED indicators for each of its rails. This will allow you to easily isolate noisy and noise-prone modules from each other by installing them on different zones, as well as to see at a glance if any particular zone is experiencing a problem. The number of available power headers is maximized by the power of the supply, the flush horizontal placement, and the single dedicated vertical header for the CV bus, leaving all other headers free. The -12 volt rail is clearly labeled on each header. The CV bus consists of 3 main portions: the voltage math, the multiple, and the outputs. The voltage math is found at the left end of the CV bus. Like the similar circuit on the Zero Coast, it is a small collection of universally useful modular utilities. The 2 inputs are summed at the output, one at unity and one adjusted by the input attenuverter. The attenuverted input is also normal to a DC offset for purposes of level shifting, voltage mirroring, etc. The multiple section of the CV bus was originally designed in 2013 for Alessandro Cortini's personal Make Noise system. It provides visual indication of level, rate, and polarity for up to 4 control signals that will be shared throughout a patch. As soon as you patch any signal into a channel of the CV bus, all the other jacks on that channel become outputs, carrying copies of that signal, complete with LED indication of the same color. The LEDs above and below the jacks represent positive and negative voltage. A clock appears as a positive flashing, a cycling function as positive pulsing or swelling, an audio rate VCO as both positive and negative, always on, etc. Unlike most multiples, the channels of the CV bus are distributed laterally. We can find the signal we need at a location close to its destination, cutting down on the need for longer cables, and thereby streamlining and decluttering the patch visually. This can be a great boon for the quick decisions necessary in a live performance. The outputs are found at the right end of the CV bus. A high-quality stereo line driver converts powerful modular synthesizer signal levels to the commonly used line level. There are many jack inputs for left or mono, and right for stereo sound, a single master volume control, as well as a stereo line output pair, and finally a TRS line headphone out on a single jack. This output is capable of driving a long cable out to a PA system or a set of headphones. It has AC coupling and a built-in limiting circuit that prevents damage to the ears and PA system when the patching gets experimental.